Alright, here we go. Finally done. What's the inside? This is the part where I was saying is one piece welded in, outer piece welded in, and then an inner piece right here welded in. This it right here. Piece of the metal coming all the way down right here. Window goes right in. Where's that? Boom. Oh shit. There we go. That's where I kind of hit this black part on the window. I gotta fix that, but that ain't nothing. Let's see if I can get it without a shadow. There you go, fit. And then when you put it down, it gets tighter. It follows the line up here, comes all the way around, gets off in there. I go to the other side, same thing. That's the inside. Put the window in. Alright, here you go, the window. And go to fitment. So it's not screwed in. Once it's screwed in, it sucks in a little more. That's the fitment. Follow the line all the way in. See, I followed that line right there. Boom. In the game. Like I said about the other side, same thing on this side. Got the inner piece, outer piece, center piece. You could probably get away with just putting the outer piece and the inner piece. The reason why I had to do this inner piece because it's a screw goes right there. So when you feel in, if you don't feel in, ain't nothing right there. So ain't nothing holding in the back of the window, but that bolt. So I wanted it to be right. So that's why it's a whole nother triangle piece in there. You can see it. A whole nother piece in there. And then inside piece, outside piece, everything welded up. Minimum filler just to perfect it or whatever. And I still got a body work the whole car. Anyway, so I'm gonna have to go over it again, but this is where it's at right now.